It's 2024, you haven't got Bitcoin yet, and you're wondering, where do I get started? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you very quickly how easy and swiftly it is to buy Bitcoin in 2024. So right now, Bitcoin's sitting at a whopping $62,000. And the first place I would go to obtain Bitcoin personally is using MEXC. This exchange here is globally accessible, and what I love about this exchange is it has the smallest maker and taker spot and futures fees, which means it's going to help you compound savings over time, because many other exchanges out there in the crypto space, they have insanely high trading fees, which of course is going to take money from you over time, and that's not really something that you want. So yeah, what you need to do is basically use my MEXC link down below firstly to find MEXC, which is a really awesome exchange that you can get using. And what you'll do is you'll hit this buy crypto button in the top left hand side. And what this then allows you as a consumer, it gives you different options to purchase cryptocurrency. So for example, you can see you're going to get a debit or credit card on ramp. For example, if I wanted to put £2,500 in, you would then link your sort of credit card for payment. That's probably one of the easiest ways to do so. And then in return, I'm going to get 3,124 Tether tokens. And Tether is basically the digitalized, pegged USD stablecoin, right? So effectively, you're going to get 1-to-1 ratio USDT, which is Tether, which equals $1. And once you've done this, you're going to get those Tether or USDTs go into your crypto wallet. And your wallet you can find in the top right hand corner, and you click on the spot button and it will show you all of the coins that you are holding at present tense. And for example, the USDT looks like this one right here called Tether. And you can see I've got 96 Tether in my portfolio right now, which I could use to buy Bitcoin if I wanted to. There are also other options. You've also got the option for a bank transfer if you wanted to do it this way. You've also got the express option of doing it this way as well. Have a look yourself and find out which one you think is better for you. And you've also got third-party possibilities as well, where you can use things like Banksa, MoonPay, or Mercurio. So there's multiple ways that you can easily get fiat currency into the exchange to start trading. Now, once you've identified that you have got your Tether coins on the spot side of things in your wallet right here, because it's going to go into your spot. I mean, you might even have fiat. I don't know. You might have fiat, but most likely you're just going to have spot. It could go into fiat and then you have to move it and transfer into your spot wallet, but I think likely it's going to go into your spot anyway. So once you've done that, you can hit the spot button up here on the top left, and you click through, and that will take you through to the kind of exchange trading side of things. And all you need to do is click Bitcoin, and you can see I'm on Bitcoin over USDT right now. This is where you can change all your spot trading pairs. So if we go here, I can now see that I can change between all the different pairs, and that 96 USDT that I was talking about, I have that displayed right here. So if I want to buy some Bitcoin, I can buy $50 worth of Bitcoin right now at this moment in time. I'm going to hit that buy button, and I've just literally bought on market some Bitcoin. So I've now got $50 worth of Bitcoin. It was really easy, on ramp my money. And when we scroll down, we're now going to see that Bitcoin, this $50 worth of Bitcoin is there. So it's that simple. All you need to do is sign up to MEXC down below on my link, which will help you save money over time. And also, if you do sign up on my link, it will make you eligible for bonus rewards. And there you have it, guys. In 3 minutes, you now know how to get your hands on some Bitcoin. Let me know down below if you have questions about this or need further help. Subscribe, and I'll see you very soon. Peace.